The contribution of physics that we intend to discuss to the class is ultraviolet light. Ultraviolet lights are naturally occurring electromagnetic radiation with a wavelength shorter than visible light which is present in the sunlight.
Ultraviolet rays were discovered in the year 1801 by German physicist Johann Wilhelm Ritter, when he noticed silver chloride, a material that decomposes in the presence of light, decomposed more quickly when exposed to rays that existed just beyond the violet end of the spectrum.
UV has been especially helpful in various medical and forensic fields. In the medical field, UV is used in medical imaging of cells and light therapy, where the skin is exposed to a drug called Prosoran and exposed to ultraviolet light therapy. This therapy is used to treat eczema, psoriasis, and vitiligo. UV also contributes in genetics in protein analysis and DNA sequencing. As such, it is able to measure the UV-visible NIR spectra of microscopic samples of tissues, proteins, crystals, and other protein-containing structures, as well as the DNA and RNA purity of cells. UV light can also be used to disinfect and sterilize biology labs and tools, and is also used in several water treatment facilities. In the forensic field, UV light is helpful in drug detection, as new technologies enable police officers to detect traces of methamphetamine and other drugs with the use of UV light. Blood traces are also detectable with UV light, as it can absorb the light and glow up with the help of other chemicals. Passports, paper currency, and other important government documents are marked with the UV watermark to prevent and deter forgery and counter theft.
Because ultraviolet rays are a constant presence in our life due to being produced by the sun, the fact that they are the cause of various diseases such as skin cancer and eye irritation suggests significant value would be gained from researching them further. Thus, if it was discovered in the Philippines, our value to the scientific community would reach heights far beyond what they are now. We would be a leading influence on the development of products such as sunscreen, which operates primarily on the presence of UV rays. Not only that, we could also pave the way for research on the effects of UV rays on all parts of the human body, from the previously mentioned skin to even the eyes and the immune system. In summary, due to the depth of the research that has been performed regarding the subject, if ultraviolet rays were first discovered in the Philippines, our reputation is not only science, but even in the production of everyday products such as sunscreen would be in a completely different place than where they are now.